It is now possible to log into WSU Pipeline from your class schedule wish list and complete your registration or class additions. To begin, go to classschedule.wayne.edu. Be sure that you are looking at the correct term schedule. Then go to the list of courses and subjects. Select your classes as usual and add them to the wish list. Each time you add a class to the wish list, a login dialog box will appear below the list. If you have a long list of classes, it might be necessary to scroll down to see it. This will enable you to log in directly to the Pipeline Class Add Drop page to register. Please do not log in until you have added all of your class choices to the wish list. Now, let's add one more class for this example. As usual, your wish list will highlight any problems or issues that need to be resolved before you can register. Since our example did not include any errors, here is a slide showing typical error messages that you might encounter. Be sure to resolve these problems in the wish list before you log in to register, or similar errors will be generated when you try to register. When you have completed your wish list and are ready to register or add your classes, locate the Login dialog at the bottom of the screen. As I mentioned before, you might have to scroll down to see it. When you are ready to log in, enter your Pipeline Access ID and password in the dialog box. Then click on the Login button. The system will take you to the Pipeline registration screen. If the Financial Responsibility Agreement displays, take a few moments to scroll through and read it. When you are ready, click on the box to signify agreement, and then click on the Submit button. Follow the same procedure for the new course deadlines policy notice if it displays. The Pipeline Registration Add Drop Classes page will now be visible. Be sure to read the instructions and other information as you scroll down to the bottom of the screen. Look for the Add Classes Worksheet section of the form. The CRNs from your wish list will display here. When you are ready, click on Submit Changes as usual to register or add the classes. Now check for any error messages. They will appear immediately below the Add Classes Worksheet heading. Your current schedule displays immediately above the Add Classes worksheet. If necessary, scroll up so that you can see it. Check for a status comment of Added or Registered in the left column to confirm the transaction. Please note that in this example we are showing a different CRN than the ones we added to the wish list. When you are finished, scroll up to the Logout button and click on it. If any questions or issues arise, please call 313-577-3541 or send an email note to registration@wayne.edu.